YouTube, it's me, Shay the Natural. I'm coming to you today with a highly requested video. So, outside of the comments on YouTube, I've been asked this over and over and over again. I have a lot of friends that have just started to go natural or have been natural for about a year now, and they're at that year mark, so they want to see their length, they want to see their growth, so they're ready to flat iron their hair. So they're scared because everybody is afraid of heat damage. I'm afraid of heat damage. You're afraid of heat damage. It happens. But there are ways to prevent heat damage. And I'm here today to talk to you about the different options that you have for blow drying your hair and flat ironing your hair. Because you can get heat damage from both. Overexposing your hair to the blow dryer, putting it on one point for too long when you're blow drying, and just not taking the right steps before you use leave-in heat protectant. So first I'm going to talk to you about washing your hair. If you're a natural that just likes to co-wash all the time, you're going to want to cleanse your hair before you flat iron it, because you have buildup on your hair from all the other products that you have been using. So you're going to want to clean your plate first. So clean your plate first and then deep condition. You're going to want to use a deep conditioner because you're going to want your hair moisturized. The more moisturized it is, the less chance you have of getting heat damage. Because if you're just going to wash your hair, like, let me say this, if you're just going to cleanse your hair and then just use a regular conditioner and then go to flat iron it, to me, just in my opinion, you have more chance of heat damage. You want to deep condition your hair. You want to make sure that moisture is in there, locked and sealed. Dry hair, because think about it, you have dry hair, more chances of it being brittle, and then you're applying heat on top of that. It's gonna snap, and then you're gonna get heat damage. Your curls are going to disappear. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you cleanse your hair. Don't shampoo your hair all the time. Now, I'm not telling you to step away from co-washing. Don't shoot me, I'm just saying. So cleanse your hair and deep condition. And after that, then you have different oils, balms, serums that you can use on your hair to blow dry your hair first. Now, if you don't want to blow dry your hair, that's okay. You don't have to blow dry your hair. Stretch your hair out. All you have to do is go ahead, go on with your oil or your serum, and flat iron your hair. That way you don't have to worry about two different heat processes going on. So go ahead, stretch your hair out if you want to. But if you don't want to wait, you have somewhere you gotta go, it's okay to blow dry your hair. Just make sure you take the proper steps of blow drying your hair to reduce heat damage. You have this option. This is the L'Oreal Paris Advanced Hair Care New Smooth Intense Ultimate Straight Perfecting Balm. And it's got keratin in it. And it says up to 450 degrees. Does that mean you want to put your flat iron or your on 450 degrees? No, because guarantee you that's the smoking point. That's when it's going to start to smoke. So you're going to want to put it a few degrees less. I would say 10 degrees less than 450. I wouldn't go straight up, oh yeah, I can 450? Bet. Don't do it. Don't do it. Take it at least 10 degrees below that. So the smoke point for this, or heat protectant, it says it can go up to 450 degrees. If you want to, you can go ahead, you can do 450 if you want to. I'm not doing 450. You could do 450. I'm not doing 450. But anyway, so I use this to blow dry my hair. You know, I shampooed it, deep conditioned, and then I use this. I personally don't like this one. It comes out as a nice little pink balm. But to me, it was gritty. And now, mind you, the shelf life for this is... And products do expire, people. Don't think that you can keep it forever and it's always going to work. Everything has a shelf life. This one, surprisingly, does not say. Usually it has like a little picture of a container on here and it'll tell you the shelf life of the product. But I don't see it on here. But for me, this one, I didn't like this one too much. This one actually was kind of gritty. And then with my blow dryer, it actually started to smoke. This was my blow dryer. So I'm thinking, it's already smoking with my blow dryer. Do I want to use this with my flat iron? I don't. Do you? You can do it. I'm not. But I'm just saying. So this one, you know, it might work for somebody else. Didn't work too well for me. But it is an option. It all depends on your hair and your preference. My personal favorite is this Sensitive by Nature. I've had this for a while. Maybe I should get rid of it. I just looked at the shelf life. It's good for 12 months, so it's good for a year. I've had this longer than a year. So, I don't flat iron my hair that much, and this probably show you that I don't flat iron my hair this much. It has 12-month shelf life, but this is a good serum. I love this serum. I use this serum for blow drying, and I use it for flat ironing. Mostly just blow drying because it's a thicker serum. I mean, it's still loose. As you can see in the bottle, it's still a loose serum. But I personally like it for blow drying. You can use this to blow dry, and you can use this to flat iron. When you use this to flat iron, if you're gonna, you know, go ahead, section off your hair, section it off to 4 or 5 sections, however you want to do it. I would take a nice little dime size for that one section. Work it through your hair with your hands, brush it through your hair, and then go ahead and go in section by section and flat iron it. Because if you use this like each individual section, you have a greater chance of your hair looking oily and weighed down and not that nice feathery flowing look that everybody wants. So I know I don't have no hair right now, y'all, but I'm still cute. Anyway, you can use this to flat iron and to blow dry. When you're blow drying, still section by section, put it in each section, and then just go to work. But I love this one. I love this. This is my personal favorite. This is the Sensitive by Nature. It's a Safeguard Smoothing Serum. Intensely eliminates frizz, leaves hair silky, shiny, smooth, heat protected, infused with olive oil and argan oil. I love it, love it, love it. This is one of my loves. This is my heart right here. When I flat iron or blow dry, I love this. This is the best. Go get you some. Iron Straight Heat Spray. 3-day sleek. Sleek on blink. Anyway, so it's once again 450 degrees protection. Personally, once again, this is me, maybe not you, but it's me. I wouldn't take my flat iron all the way up to 450. 10 degrees lower, maybe even 20 degrees lower. Your hair will still break down. It'll straighten on out. It'll get flat. Believe me, trust me, it's okay. Anyway, this is another one. I personally use this for both. I use this to blow dry. I use this to flat iron, and it's good. It's a lot lighter than this, of course, because it's a spray. But you know you have to be light-handed with this. This, spray it on, comb it, brush it through, break it down, go. It's on you. But I love this one. These two, my personal favorites when it comes to flat iron and blow drying. I love these two products. These are my babies. Okay, anyway, but I love these two. And then, let's go ahead over to the oils. For my true naturals, all the way natural, don't want to touch chemical, don't want to touch serum. I want to keep it natural. I want it all natural. Okay, you have your oils. No, this is a pen. Yes, I know. But you have your oils. And when using your oils, you're always going to want to know what? The smoke point. You're going to want to know the smoke point of each one of your oils. Because not every oil has the same smoke point. Not every oil can go up to 400 degrees. Yes, some of our favorite oils that we want to use for everything, we're going to want to use that for your flat ironing too. But do you? Do you? Do you really? Think about it. Do your research. I'm going to help you out though. I'm going to give you a quick little guide on how to pick your oils. I'm just going to tell you the smoke point of each oil. That's all I'm going to do. But anyway, it's going to help you out. So, the first one I'm going to talk about is everybody's favorite. But some people are sensitive to this oil. What oil am I talking about? Coconut oil. Everybody loves coconut oil. Coconut oil is good for your skin. It's good for weight loss. I haven't tried it for weight loss, but I heard it's good for weight loss. And it's good for your hair. Coconut oil. What's the smoke point for coconut oil? 350. That's right, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is actually on the lower end of the oil smoke points. But we love coconut oil. If you want to go ahead, you want to use that coconut oil, remember, its smoke point is going to start to smoke at 350. Do you want to take it up to 350? You can if you want to. I'm not. Are you going to do it? You probably will, but I'm not. Anyway, it's 350. So if you're going to use this oil, don't go past 350. Don't do it. Coconut oil is a good oil to use for flat iron. I've used it for flat ironing before. Yes, I love coconut oil. Everybody does. Its smoke point is 176 Celsius. 176 Celsius for us, those of us who are not using Fahrenheit. So, once again, do you want to take it up to 176 degrees Celsius? That's on you. I'm just saying. But anyway, so let's go ahead. Let's move on. Let's go to the next one. Castor oil. Castor oil. Everybody loves castor oil. Good for dry scalp, regrowing hair. Yes, castor oil. It's good. I love castor oil. You love castor oil. This right here is 100% pure black Haitian castor oil. Yes. Once again. And it's good for hair. It can grow your hair on your head, your eyebrows, and eyelashes. Good oil. What's the smoke point for castor oil? The smoke point for castor oil is 392 degrees Fahrenheit. 392. So, do we want to use castor oil or do we want to use coconut oil? Once again, that's up to you. I'm just saying. 392 versus 350. It's up to you. It all depends on how high you like to take your flat iron and if you're trying to break it down to a faster time or if you got time to spare. Once again, castor oil, smoke point 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Those of us that aren't using Fahrenheit, the smoke point for castor oil is 200 degrees Celsius. Castor oil, get you some. The smoke point for these oils are 400 degrees or higher. Hey, okay. That means you can take it to your 350, 375, 380. Do you want to take it to the 400? Once again, up to you. I'm not judging. But those oils are avocado oil, refined avocado oil, almond oil, and grapeseed oil. Yes, those smoke points are 400 degrees or higher. Those are good oils. I mean, don't sleep on grapeseed oil. I like grapeseed oil. I've put grapeseed oil in my hair before too. I haven't used almond oil on my hair. I have used it on my skin. I mixed it in some shea butter and put it on my skin. Works wonders, boo. But you can try it in your hair. Once again, avocado oil, almond oil, and grapeseed oil. Smoke point of 400 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Now, you want to go through and check each one of those individual oils to see which one's higher than 400 degrees. But I don't know anybody's flat iron that goes above 450. Once again, do you want to take it there? Do you? Do you? I'm just saying. Anyway. So, and if you're not using Fahrenheit, once again, I did some research for you too. It's going to be 204 degrees Celsius or higher. 204 degrees Celsius or higher for avocado oil, almond oil, and grapeseed oil. Go get you some. I'm telling you, protect their hair, bro. Protect your hair. You don't want heat damage. Nobody wants heat damage. And if it happens, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. Clip your ears. Keep it going. If you don't want to clip your ears, that's up to you. But it's not the end of the world. It happens to the best of us. But protect yourself. Don't get heat damage. Public announcement. I'm just saying. Anyway, I'm feeling a little goofy today, y'all. But I just wanted to come to you today with that video to make sure that everybody knows the benefits of these different oils, serums, and balms. Yes, I get tongue-tied all the time. It happens. Get used to it. It's going to happen a lot. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to comment below. I'm not going to be mad. You comment, I'll answer. I'm here. That's what I'm here for. Come on now. I'm not doing this for my health. I mean, I like to do it, but I like to know y'all watching. I like to know y'all care. Anyway, I'm done. I'll see y'all later. Keep it natural.